Hi guys, today I'll tell you how to make a homemade wrinkle mask. To prepare a home remedy you'll need a teaspoon of dried flowers of Hibiscus sabdariffa, 100 ml of water and a tablespoon of agar-agar. Put the water on fire and add dried flowers. When the water boils, add the agar-agar and mix thoroughly. Cool the prepared mass. Apply the mask to the face, including the area around the eyes, and leave for 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with cool water. To maintain the effect of young skin, the procedure should be carried out regularly once a week. The mask is ideal for dull and tight skin, perfectly moisturizes and slows the aging process.